a shadow racing towards the light. I pray to see you one more time. Watch me fall apart. I've always loved you more than you know. Father, don't you let me go.
What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. We just got the boat put in the water. It's ready for the season. Chris is behind me, he's driving. We got a wet slip for this year, so we're really excited about that. Are you excited, Chris?
I'm super excited.
And it's also our actual anniversary today, so
oh, happy anniversary.
so we decided to put the boat in the water today. So, and it started right up, and obviously we're moving, so I'm really excited. Chris, are you really excited?
My anxiety's through the roof. I'm way too sober for this. Well, I guess I should be sober for Cracker Boat, but it's very nerve-wracking.
It's a little nerve-wracking, but we are headed over to our new slip, and then we have some other things going on today, but we wanted to get the boat in the water, so it is ready for the season, so yay. I have a little bit of party girl voice. We had a busy weekend. All right, let's get this boat parked. You look so handsome driving a boat.
Oh, thank you. Hey, look, no hands. So look at this direct TV dish.
Oh my god, that's so funny. So peaceful. All right, our new home. It's coming up.
There's the Bouchard boat.
Where am I looking?
The black bimini top.
Oh yeah.
It's a shame we didn't get that slip next to them.
Yeah. Which one is it?
It's on the left next to American.
So we did it. It is in the water. It started up. Stressful day, but exciting day. Are you breathing?
Yeah, a little bit.
Anxiety go down?
Not yet.
Not yet. I mean, it looks amazing. So there it is, guys. American flag is up. It's all plugged in. We have shore power.
Slips away from the Bouchard boat.
Yeah, buddy. It's gonna be an awesome summer. I can't wait.